Welcome to lesson 1 in your Letting Go course. Now in this lesson, I'm going to be taking you through breathing and release. Now, why is breath important? We take, I think it's something like over 10,000 breaths a day. I'm not really 100% sure because I've never counted. However, it is a large number of breaths. And most of the time, the breath is subconscious or unconscious, meaning we're not paying attention to it. And the way we breathe reflects our inner emotional and mental condition. So think about it, if you're walking around a corner and a lion jumps out at you, you're going to take a quick shallow breath into here, which will increase that excited adrenaline energy. So if you're taking shallow 10th breaths up here throughout your day, you're naturally going to be in an adrenalized state, a state of fight or flight. Think about when you're lying on a beach and you're feeling nice and calm and relaxed, and observe, how does your breath actually operate now? It's nice and deep, it's fluid, it's slow, it's calm, and your emotional condition is calm. Meaning what? Our breath and our emotions, our breath and our state are linked. So by starting to bring some consciousness, some awareness to our breath, and starting to kind of retrain and reprogram the breath to be in a calm, more mindful, more aware state, you can start to be more conscious of the emotions and sensations and energies as they arise, so you can let go of them. So this lesson, I'm looking to give you a nice new habit with breath work. Yeah? We're not really going deep into the actual letting go technique to start. We're just setting a foundation of self-awareness through breath and starting to calm down the emotions in the mind so that you can really start to get more awareness around what needs to be released, what's going on here, and that you can actually influence and control your emotional state. Now, the release work involved here is very simple. All we're going to do is, as we do our breath work, is repeat a simple mantra: release, release, release. And even if you listen to those words now, you'll feel that there is a sense of releasing. But what are we releasing? Stress, anxiety, any emotional type of disturbance, but also physical tensions, stresses or strains in the body. Release, release, to just bring you into a calmer state. As you start to get calmer and more relaxed, what you may observe is that, look, the way this type of personal and spiritual growth works is like this. Most people start a course like this and they think they're going to go straight upward and it's going to be happy and unicorns and rainbows and fairy floss all the way. But it's not exactly like that. Normally you'll get a sense of peace, calm, and grow. And then once you reach a certain level, you'll feel a disturbance, meaning you've gotten to a certain level of peacefulness, calm, relaxation in your mental and emotional state, which allows the next level to be released. So the next blockages, tensions, anxieties, stresses, or fears to come up to be surrendered. So then there'll be feel like a drop, but then you go up again. So it's more like this, or even like this. It's an upward scale with downward moments. So be calm, be present, be patient with yourself. All the care and kindness and consideration you give to others, make sure you give it to yourself through this process as well. So the breath work that we're going to be doing is in and out through your nose. So going into the more practical side now, you're going to use the nose to breathe. So gently in through the nose, and watch, I'm not actually breathing into my shoulders, neck and chest, not this, because this is more the kind of aggressive, tense, kind of military posture which gets you more ready to fight or ready to run. I want you to keep the chest, neck and shoulders soft and relaxed. Breathe in and out through the nose, deep into the diaphragm and belly. So it's as though your diaphragm's coming down and expanding and your belly's coming out. So imagine like a cylinder in your belly that's expanding in each direction. Keep the chest, neck and shoulders as relaxed as possible. It doesn't mean you can't use them later in breath. It's just we're using a calm, natural breath, which I learned from actual Taoist and meditative practices to calm down your nervous system. Funnily enough, I also saw that this is how snipers, when they're actually going to, shoot someone, calm themselves down. They take calm, deep, slow, relaxed breaths in and out through the nose as well. So it definitely helps calm you down, whether for positive or negative outcomes. Now, you take the gentle breath in and out through the nose, deep into the belly, expanding it. And you want to think like about 70 to 75% effort. So you're not forcing it. It's just natural and easy. Now, in this meditation that we're going to do, you're going to do breath work for about, easy, 3 to 5 minutes. And I'd like you to do this meditation every morning. So thinking about those habits I was talking about earlier, as soon as you wake up, you can just lie there and do the breath work. Or after your coffee or tea, or just find a time in the day where you can add it to a habit. You know, most people have a habit of waking up, because if you don't wake up, I guess you can't do it. So there's the breath work that you'll be doing once a day, solid for 3 to 5 minutes. But then the actual mantra or continuing work that you'll be doing will be 5 times 5 a day. So when you wake up, around breakfast, lunch, dinner, and before you go to bed, I'd like you to breathe 5 times deeply. So, and that's one breath. Do that 5 times. You know, you'll find your cadence. Some people like a 3-3 rhythm, so 3 in, 3 out. Some like a 4-4, some like a 5-5, some like a 6-6. Doesn't really matter. You find your rhythm and do that 5 times a day. And as you do it, you're also going to be repeating to yourself, release, release, release. And this is going to be the foundation for moving you into the letting go technique. Okay, so let's begin our meditation. Either sit down or lie down comfortably. Let your body relax. Calm down all thoughts and feelings and simply feel that you are living. Relax your chest, shoulders, neck. Relax the belly and the legs. And start to breathe slowly, gently, and deeply into the belly and diaphragm through the nose. And out the nose. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Now continue in your own rhythm. And as you continue these calm, gentle, loving breaths, start to mentally repeat to yourself, release, release. Breathing in relaxation. And as you breathe out, releasing any tension. Release. 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 Continue these calm, conscious, and relaxing breaths. Gently repeating the mantra, release, release. Continue on doing this deep breath work and this gentle mantra for as long as you wish. And whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes.